In this video, we are going to unbox the Orient Electric 15-liter storage water geyser. I bought it on Paytm Mall. I will be sharing the link in the description down below. For installation, you can call the helpline. The installation in Orient is absolutely free. Although you have to buy the connection pipes on your own. These are the fasteners. These are used to hang the geyser on the wall. You can see the owner manual. I've turned it upside down so that you can see it properly. It comes with 7-year inner tank warranty, 4-year element warranty and 2-year overall product warranty. It is a 5-star rated electrical appliance. The geyser is good in looks. See, here I have installed it in my bathroom. It comes with a regulator knob to adjust the temperature as per your requirement. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe my channel.